Hello, I am making this video to introduce you to some of the contents of your lab kit and to your first lab, which is equipment and procedures. I suggest you print out at least the last page with the rulers and page 4 with this table. If you wish to complete the rest of the activity electronically, that is just fine. You can type into the Word doc. Alternately, you can print the whole activity, fill it in with pen, and then scan or photograph it to turn it in. You will be asked to photograph some of your work and some of your equipment as well, so make sure you have your charger handy, your camera handy and charged. First things first, we're always going to talk about safety. Your kit contains chemical safety goggles. Notice these are splash proof. You should wear these goggles in front of your eyes at all times when you are working on your chemistry lab. Even if you are only measuring water, you need to have these goggles on your face at all times. Carefully read all of the directions on the first page. There is background information about minimum, maximum, smallest increment that will be required for for future parts of the lab. You'll want to be familiar with those. Okay. And now I'm going to go through each section of the lab with you. In the first section, we're talking about the proper use of the balance. So let me introduce your balance to you. You might want to pause the video if you have not unpacked it yet. You do need to open the back case to insert the batteries that came with the balance. You'll also need the 100-gram calibration sample. So open the lid to your balance and remove the little piece of plastic wrapping. Hold on to that. It'd be a good idea to always store your balance with that bit of styrofoam in there to keep the tray from rattling around. Unfortunately, the tray does come loose quite easily, but you can always just place it right back on. Make sure that the entire rectangle fits inside the space on the tray there. So that's a little bit finicky. Just kind of wobble it until it feels like it's in place. Did not feel like it was in place. I'm going to try again. Okay. So now what you're going to want to do is push the far left button to turn the balance on. It says hello to you. And before you use the balance, I want you to calibrate it. The second button is mode. Hold that down until you see cal. Nope, hold that down until you see 100. That's right. Once you have the 100 reading on the scale, place the 100-gram sample on the scale and push the... Alright, I'm going to start that process over because I think I got it just a little bit out of order. First, turn on the scale and wait for it to say 0, 0, 0, 0. Then we're going to press and hold the mode key until... that's power. Then we're going to press and hold the mode key until it shows 100 grams, as it does here. Let off the button, push the mode key one more time, and it should display cal. There we go. Cal and 100. Now I'm going to place the 100 calibration sample on the scale. And I am told that it should say pass, but it doesn't. It says 99.998.